Hello, my name is Ayo Adeniyi, and I did my presentation on the surprising similarities between AMLO and Jair Bolsonaro. I was done by The Economist on December 6th, 2019. Just to summarize the article, it was about the similarities and differences between Brazil's Jair Bolsonaro and Mexico's AMLO. It stated that Brazil's Jair Bolsonaro was a foul-mouthed former army captain of the far right, and he kind of has been known for disrespecting women and homosexuals and using kind of casual racist remarks to get his messages across. And then we had Mexico's AMLO. They considered him a would-be revolutionary of the far left more than the right. And his goal was to unite Mexico by making Mexico fairer and more equal. Some of the similarities that they were talking about in the article was that both are nationalists with little interest in the outside world, and they would kind of rather the outside world reciprocate that and kind of just worry about themselves because they're worried about their country. They both see themselves as saviors and claim a special bond with the people because they were voted into office by the people. And then both presidents were elected on similar promises to revive their economies and eliminate corruption and crime. I would say that Bolsonaro semi-succeeded. He kind of succeeded because the economy did grow by 0.06%. And you can say that AMLO has not really succeeded because Mexico's economy has kind of shrunk into a mild recession. The two political actors in this article are Jair Bolsonaro and Andres Miguel Lopez Obrador, or AMLO, as some people say. In connecting this to the text, you can do that in both Chapter 9 and Chapter 10. In Chapter 10, talking about Brazil, talking about Brazilian political culture and the kind of racism that's there. You can kind of talk about that because there's different life chances related to your skin color. While there are plenty of poor white Brazilians, the odds of them rising to the middle class, being healthier, and being educated are greater than their black counterparts. And talking about about Mexico in Chapter 9, you can talk about the political economy of Mexico and how AMLO kind of has done his own thing with that. He introduced his own version of austerity and kind of cut government salaries and cut other things that he saw fit and saw as waste. And Mexico's economy has kind of shrunk into a depression because of that. You can kind of relate that back to the text because they do quarrel about how to make an economy better and create jobs for the millions of people that are unemployed and underemployed. They kind of talk about how the PAN wants a free market economy focused on exports, and the PRD wants socialism and more of a domestic focus. With all that being said, thank you very much for watching my presentation and have a very good day.